Well, we're here out at the jump start. We were hoping to have a bigger turnout, but as you can see, it's really odd. It's just us three. I think some of the weather kind of scared everybody away, just because it's so hot and the sun's out. So like, there's potential to get a little bit of sunburn. There's potential to get some tan going on, but nevertheless, we got full tanks of gas. So let's see how today turns out. We'll see how far we get. I know our first stop is the gas station in Cassidy. Hey Josh, our first stop is the gas station in Cassidy, right? Cool. I love that little one. It's all like wood porch out in the front and whatnot. Sometimes they got the little dog out there. So, Felicia, how you feeling? Good. She's getting geared up. Gonna go ahead and wear her jacket, that way she doesn't get sunburn. I'm gonna risk some sun poisoning, and it looks like Josh is gonna risk some sun poisoning as well, but we'll see how it goes. Knock on wood. No fuel, thank you, Joe Biden. That's how that works. Yeah, I'm still gonna get something to drink. I'll buy waters or whatever you guys want. Thanks, Obama. Few hours. They're closed on Sunday. My gas light's not on. Is yours?
I still have 2 bars.
Cool. I figured that route was way better than highway. I was like, these guys already paid tolls to come out here to turn around. I was like, we're taking a better route.
Two hours later.
All right, so on the way to El Dorado, I kind of hit an issue where my bands are showing, and I need to get this tire off. In order to do that, I'm gonna have to take the wheel off the bike. In order to do that, I need to get the rear spindle off. And wow. Jesse, we might be using the impact gun on yours too. Oh man, that is a giant bolt. When I pull this out, we lose this. Okay, this is gonna drop. The wheel should come right off. So that's how you damage your brakes. All right, one motorcycle tire. Getting my tire swapped out. Paid for the tire yesterday on the way back into town, and their installation guy is doing his thing, so right now I'm just kind of hanging out in the store and trying not to be a distraction. Alright, so new tire, new valve stem. We are ready to rock and roll. Paperwork signed. I'm on my way out the door, James. As always, thank you so much.
Of course.
Have a good day and stay safe. Bye, guys. Enjoy. So, look at that. situated in there. All right, so we got the wheel back from Cycle Gear, and this shouldn't take any time at all. I need to tighten up this castle nut, and I need to get the cotter pins. I picked up new cotter pins, so I'll get those going, but otherwise we got a brand new tire on. So I'm super pumped to take her out and play with it, but that's not gonna be tonight. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow morning. So my new rear tire is a little bit wider than what I ran last time. Last time I went to a skinnier tire just to see what kind of effect it had on my flickability. Now I'm back to a wider tire, and I can feel the plant just a little bit, like a greater, like a better, I feel planted, like I feel better planted. Does that make any sense? I feel better contact with the road. Like I can definitely feel the difference in contact patch versus the skinnier tire. That probably doesn't make much sense, but I feel more planted. I got better foundation. Yeah, I definitely feel a difference. Slight left on the West 1st Street. That's not a slight left, that is a whole left. It's supposed to be on Douglas, but apparently I'm going down West Street. First Street West. Man, I'm jumbled today. So apparently it's all the way down at Pennsylvania. It's about a half a mile from where I am right now. This one wasn't hard to find at all. It gave me 2 of them. I'd like to get that sign out of the way. Your underwear hanging from the back of your bike or something? What is this? The helmet? For the helmet? About 200? Thanks. Hey, I saw your swim trunks on the back. That's smart. You're drying them. I was like, I bet that's what he's doing. He's drying it. Are you going to the lake or what? Good. With a bike like that? Yeah. I like this dude. He just goes everywhere. I don't remember how much it all cost. I think my helmet was like $200 and then I put the Mohawk on. The Mohawk was like $10. Helmet 200 something dollar range. I can't remember. You need to start paying more attention to price tags, I suppose. Oops, somebody lost their gas cap. These lights are killing me. I gotta find a way to get around the cable truck in front of this truck while avoiding this idiot that's doing her makeup. Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, I should have got gas while I was there. I'll get gas later. So what I'm gonna do right now is take the bike home, swap out to the Mustang. I'll use the Mustang to run out to Potwin and then continue out my journey that way. And since I'm really learning my way around the city, it's like I can't be slowed down. I love the backside of that building and how it spits right out to the river. I don't even know what that is.
Later that same evening.
Yeah, you're out here in Potwin, Kansas. So we've got it up on the stand. I brought my spools out, so we've got it up on the spools. It's so much nice to have two people lifting these things up, otherwise they jump off the stands and start falling all over the garage, and you gotta catch them, you twist your arm, etc., etc. I speak from experience. But this one's worn down really good. This guy got some really good use out of it. So this is my new friend, Jesse. And I guess we're just doing this thing. We're on YouTube. We're just gonna travel around Kansas and help out people with their bikes. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tire taken off. And then we need to take it down to Wichita and get Cycle Gear, Leslie and James over there at Cycle Gear to swap it out, and let's see where we end up.
Turn traction control, it's KTRC.
Yep.
Kawasaki traction control. We'll just turn that off, and then it should be burnout ready. So.
Burnout ready.
See some, we got that one now, so.
Yep. I'll give you room. You do your thing. There we go. Oh, these aren't hard to do at all. It literally just comes down to who's got the damn jack stand. All right, Castle Nut Go Burr. It's in child safety mode. Pull the pin and watch the thing go boom. Nice and slow and gentle, and yeah, there goes your chain tension. Got the wheel off, and we got this all hanging out over here. I know someone's gonna crucify me for this hanging, but that's fine. Beat me up in the comments, I don't care. But other than that, we're gonna blow this off, get it all nice and clean, drop it in the Mustang.
Day 2. Day 3.
All right, so we spotted a leak because I could smell it, and apparently we're missing a hose clamp.
Oh, the hose, there's no hose clamp there.
Right, okay. Whew, she's putting off heat. Okay, yeah, that's where your hose clamp's missing. So while that won't cause him to overheat, it is something that I'm glad we spotted it so we didn't get all the way to Wichita and not have any coolant in, because that's no fun. I wonder if a leak in that spot though could introduce air bubbles.
A few moments later.
All right, lead the way. That's right.
It's just security number.
Jesus, crap don't come off, man.
hey, that's
What?
something I need. Is I need a friend to buy me one of those.
Oh shoot, okay, I got you covered, don't even sweat it. Alright, now it's gonna ride funny. And my zipper's open? What the fuck? Alright, time to get it dirty again. Yeah, I'm good. Sweet, where to? Let's take the scenic route. There's no way this cuts out. Yep, it cuts out. Why the hell does this cut out? Alright, it's only a shortcut if we beat the other cars that we were at the light with. Hey, looks like we're winning. Yep. Oh, really? That minivan didn't want my smoke. We'll just cruise downtown and see where we end up. See what we got going on. Oh, the giant limo. Limo sween. Good luck. Good luck. You made it. Ugh.
Turn your blinker off, Grandma.
It's NASCAR. Well, can I buy you a drink?
Sure.
Well, we stopped in for Norton's for food, filled up on alcohol, and we got a burger, a sandwich between two grilled cheese sandwiches, and a Monte Cristo covered in powdered sugar. Jesse, you think you're ready for this?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Well, I'm gonna leave here with a stomach ache, but you know what? Fuck it, it's worth it.